Dear students, greetings of peace and joy to you. I am your new professor for the Ashok Ryan Krasta. And I think nobody has seen me among you. It's because of the pandemic disease COVID 19. Now, I'm here to teach you in this semester subject named as e-commerce. But if I begin with you without any introduction directly e-commerce, I think I'll not be doing a justice because all of you may be eagerly waiting to know who is our new professor. That's why I would like to give a small introduction about myself. I'm Father Ashok Ryan Krasta. My native place is Takode village near the city Modbidri. I did my basic education in my hometown itself, and after my 10th standard, I went to Mangalore for my higher studies. I ordained as a priest in the year 2014, and after that, I was working at Kinnigoli for 4 years, and during that time, I pursued my M.Com at Govindas College, Surathkal. In the year 2018, I completed my M.Com, and after that, I went to college called St. Mary's at Bella, and there I worked for 2 years as a principal. And I have dealt with few subjects, especially the human resource management, marketing management, and business economics, and uh, principles and practices of management. So these are the subjects I taught there for 2 years. And in the month of July, in the last week, I arrived to Philomena campus, and from 1st of August, I have become your professor. But due to some unavoidable circumstances, I could not meet you even over the internet. I know and I am aware that your classes have begun from September 1st, and I did not take much effort to begin immediately because I was waiting that one day the regular classes will begin and you will come to the college, and after interacting with you only I will begin because I have never seen you and you have not seen me. That's the reason. But it's the effects of pandemic disease COVID 19 are so severe that still we are uncertain when the regular classes are beginning. Therefore, I decided and I thought, even though you have not seen me, it's no issue, no problem. The day will come to meet us and interact with us. Before than that, I could take some classes to you, and some information I can share with you. This is a brief information about myself, and here I'll be dealing a few subjects, but to your class I'll be dealing only one subject, that is called e-commerce in this semester. You have completed successfully 2 semesters of your post graduation. Therefore, congratulations to you. And at the same time, I wish all the best for your new academic year. You have already begun your third semester and second year of MCOM. And very soon, in the next year, you will be the Masters of Commerce. And I think you are aware the word masters. So masters means you are something knowing persons who know more about a particular thing, having a mastery over a particular thing. So you are getting a mastery in the commerce subjects. That's why you will be called very soon masters of commerce. So it's not a simple thing, so something great. That's why to be called as a masters of MCOM, you should become masters. So to become masters, your efforts are very much required. You have to put your heart and soul in the learning, and your half of the academic year is over, and another half of the academic portion is pending in this year. Put your heart and soul and try to get more and more knowledge about the commerce and become experts in the commerce. Now, besides this, just little outside the subject I would like to speak. See, all of you have come to learn MCOM, especially it's called a post graduation course, and I know that those who are coming for post graduation, they always come with a lot of enthusiasm, eagerness to learn. The students who are coming for the post graduation, always they have a interest and intention to acquire the knowledge. So I'm sure that you too have come here with a great interest to increase your knowledge, and particularly in the commerce subject. As you have come with a great desire and interest, you must continue that in this year also. And when you have desire only, you can learn or you can earn more. Otherwise, absolutely, we can't help you. That's the first thing. Second thing, as you have come to the post graduation, the learning pattern itself is something different. And I think you are already aware because your 1 year is over and you know the pattern of learning of post graduation. The teaching differs. In the primary classes, the teacher teaches in a different way. In a high school level, teaching is a different way. But when it comes to the PUC and graduation level, there it is different. But when it comes to the post graduation level, teacher is just a guide. Teacher gives a little information, and on that basis the students go and try to learn more and more. So I'm here to give a little guidance, but rest is your fault, because the more importance and stress is given in the post graduation for self learning. Because when we are learning ourselves, we come to know much and many things, and our knowledge also increases. Not only that, what we learn ourselves, that will never forget, that will be remembered throughout our lives. That's the reason in the post graduation level we are always giving importance to the self learning. What is this self learning? Self learning means you are going through different sources and you are learning from there, you are trying to unveil what is there. Now, for example, a particular topic is given. Now, you got in the e-commerce, there is a particular topic, and before I teach that, you are going in search of that topic. It may be in the books library or in the website. Thanks to the internet, because of internet today everything is possible. Otherwise, during this pandemic situation, the things would have been very difficult. But today internet has made it possible for us to continue our learning. So in the internet, so much content you are getting. Therefore, you have to go through the topic and search for the content and information, and from there you learn more and more. Secondly, self learning, not only going through the books, websites, articles, journals, it is also you are preparing yourself something, and that is called assignments, seminars. And when you prepare assignment seminars, you analyze what you have read. So you have to prepare the assignments, you have to prepare the seminars, and you know that has some marks, and that's a compulsory activity. Again, it's not only the assignments and seminars. Besides that, you must prepare your own notes. In the primary classes, notes is written on the board, and you are taking down. When you go to the high schools, the teacher dictates the notes and you write down. In the graduation level, a cyclostyle notes is given printed material, and you xerox it, take the photocopy, and learn it. But when you come to the post graduation, you will not be given any notes, but you are preparing your own notes, and that's called the self study. So, in this way, if you do it, I'm sure your knowledge that you are acquiring from this method will never leave you, means that will stick in your minds and that will remain forever, and that's why called you are the masters. Therefore, as you are aware this system, and already you have written one semester exams, you know the pattern and you know the system of the post graduation. That's why I need not tell many more things about it, but only thing is I will be directly coming to the subject now, e-commerce. E-commerce is a new subject, and that was introduced in the Mangalore University M.Com syllabus in the year 2017. Till then, this subject was not there in the Mangalore University's M.Com. So, you are blessed ones. Why do I say is this is a very relevant subject, and very important subject, and very practical. Before studying e-commerce, you have started practicing that. You are already doing the e-commerce. If you, when you are studying, you will come to know that, oh, these things we are already doing. Yes, you are learning what you are doing, and some more things which you are not knowing, that also you will be coming to know after studying the e-commerce. But this is a subject which is very important and highly useful because it is a practical one. And another thing about the subject also I am telling you, the content that is there in this subject are highly made use during this pandemic situation. Everybody's life took e-commerce now. I think if there was no e-commerce today, the things would have been very difficult and life would have been miserable. But internet has made it the life simple and life worth living. Now, regarding the e-commerce, a detailed information I'll be giving through the PPT, and with a detailed explanation. But now, just to tell you or brief it about the subject, it is a electronic commerce. Through any electronic medium, if you do the commerce or the business, it is called e-commerce. It's a simple meaning I am giving you. In details, you will be getting later all the information about the e-commerce. And In this subject, you will be having a 6 units, and those 6 units are divided in a systematic pattern. The first unit will be given just the definition, meaning, nature, scope, advantages, and all. The second unit gives the different models of e-commerce, and the third chapter gives the different electro payment systems, e-payments. In this way, many more things we are going to learn, and it is not a useless subject. It is a worth knowing, and already you are buying many things online. You are dealing or looking in the website many things, so everything is e-commerce. Therefore, don't worry about that. Everything will be taught you systematically, and I'll be uploading all the learning content very soon, so that we can have a wonderful learning. And I hope that days will come that regular classes will begin, and very soon I'll get an opportunity to see you, and we'll have a interaction and learn in a better way. Thank you. Hope that you will be taking my lessons seriously and start learning.